Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change default system font on your Windows 10 computer. And go to my description command guys and go to search menu and type Notepad. Click on new text document. Want to open it and copy my description of video, and I am giving this paste this into Notepad. You want to copy this and cut off this. I want to go to format, want to go to font, want to select here what size of font you want it. I'm going for system font. You want any font, click over here. Want to copy this text, copy it, and I want to close out of here, and we want to change this side font. Instead of this, you want to paste it. Want to go to file, want to save as. For example, I'm saving to this desktop. I'm saving, file name is important guys. You want to save it as change default font font dot reg. You want to save it as registry file. Close out of here, and you want to open the registry file guys. Double click on it. Do you want to allow this app makes changes to your device? Click yes guys. Are you sure you want to continue? Click yes guys. Successfully added to the registry. For make changes, you want to go ahead and restart your PC guys. Thanks for watching my video. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you guys. Thank you.